Welcome to the prototype demo for Alltime. Alltime optimizes how you spend your time by tracking capacity and traffic indoors. Alltime gathers data in three main ways: aggregation, location services, and crowdsourcing. For aggregation, we utilize web scraping technology that we built to extract existing available data from various sources. This is a proprietary algorithm that we have. Let's take a look at that now.
In our app, we will utilize web scraping technology to extract existing available data from various sources. Therefore, we build a web scraping prototype to show how we get existing data and what we can do with that. This prototype will scrape the real-time capacity of RSF weight room from this website. We can see that this program scrapes the capacity data and show the data at the bottom. With this, we can send the data directly to our server and show in our app in the future. What's more, this prototype can store the data to our database. Here is the RSF weight room capacity from 3:23 p.m. to 3:53 p.m. on November 4th. When we get enough data, we will use machine learning to predict the capacity of this place, and then our user can get the information like the RSF weight room will be less crowded at Friday noon.
The next way we gather data is through location services, where we utilize geofencing technology to determine the capacity data of a particular location. Again, this is a proprietary algorithm that we developed ourselves. Let's take a look at this now.
And we have a demo of our location detection technology. So if you just press the button there, it'll take a few seconds to calculate your location based on your longitude and latitude. Here we go. It's found your location. It is detected that we are inside the Bechtel Engineering Center and that we are outside of Moffett Library, we're outside of Berkeley Marina, outside Times Square, New York, and we're outside West Oakland BART, just to name a few locations. Thank you.
Lastly, the third way we gather data is through crowdsourcing. We're going to use crowdsourcing to collect data with incentives of gamification and community building. Let's take a look at this now. We have created a crowdsourcing form prototype using Google Sheets, which is incredibly easy to use and only takes a few seconds to fill up. Let's say a customer is at Chipotle. The customer sees that there are 5 to 8 people in the line, there are 1 to 2 empty tables indoors, and there are 3 to 4 empty tables outdoors. That's it. It only takes a few seconds for the customer to fill up the crowdsourcing form. Let's say a customer wants to decide whether to go to Chipotle for lunch right now. As you can see, it is currently 3:21 p.m. on Thursday, 1st December. The customer simply needs to check the first row of the Alltime crowdsourcing form responses. He can see that the data for Chipotle was just filled up less than 10 minutes ago, so it is highly accurate. The line is less than 5 people long, and there seem to be many tables that are empty. The customer can decide now to go to Chipotle because he can get his food quickly. Awesome. Customers will be incentivized to contribute to our crowdsourcing form because of gamification and community building. Customers will obtain points based on the amount of data they contribute to the crowdsourcing form, and customers can exchange these points for rewards, such as free food at restaurants as a result of our partnerships with various restaurants. Thank you for listening to our demo. Carpe Tempus, seize time, it's yours, Alltime.